So, dear students, let's learn about jolly phonic sounds. Sound of A is A. A, A, A. Ants on my arm, they're causing me alarm. A, A, A. B sounds B. B, B, B. B sounds B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B, B, B. To the park to play. C sounds K. K, K, K. C sounds K. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. K, K, K. Now we will learn.
Hello Sam. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. You tell, what about you? I'm also fine. How's your school is going on? Are you taking online classes? No. Why? Because my school is off and I'm so sad. Why your school is off? My school is going on. I'm taking my classes online. Okay, so your school is very good. What is your school name? My school name is Ola School. Okay, that's great. So what are you learning online? I'm learning phonic sounds. Okay, can you tell me what's the phonic sounds are? Okay, I will tell you. My teacher yesterday taught me the sound of A, B and C, and I will tell you what the sound of A, B and C is. Okay, tell me. So let's start. So I will teach you the sound of A is A, and we will sing a rhyme on this sound. A, ants on my arm. A, ants on my arm. A, ants on my arm. They are causing me alarm. A, ants on my arm. A, ants on my arm. They are causing me alarm. Yes, this is the sound of letter A. A sounds A. Now I will teach you the sound of B. Letter B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Ba, 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 ba. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Ba, 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 ba. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Ba, 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 ba. So this is the sound of letter B. Now I will teach you the sound of letter C. I will teach you the letter sound C. C sounds K. C sounds K. K, 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 K. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. K, 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 K. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. K, K, clicking castanets. K, K, clicking castanets. So this is the sound of letter C. C sounds K. तो इस तरह से हमने सीखे सारे साउंड्स A to C. A sounds A, B sounds B, C sounds